So when I select the chart and when I open the filter, do you see? These are the things which are making the chart. Currently, these are the things which are making the chart. In the Power BI, what is filter? So if you see here, there is filter pane. It's
Yes, where you can set the certain configuration on basis of what type of data you want to show.
correct. Okay, so filters are as good as slicers. It's just that they are kept outside the page. This is my canvas. If I am not having any further space, maybe I can use some filters or some slicers over here. Like if let's say I do not have slicer for salesman, I can take the data from transaction sheet, salesman, and I can put it over here. Now it is like a slicer only. It's just that it is not on the page. That's the only difference between filters. But filters also have three types, or maybe their scope is defined up to 3 levels. What are those 3 levels? One is only for the chart. What if I want to show UAE data only on this chart? So when I select the chart and when I open the filter, do you see? These are the things which are making the chart. Currently, these are the things which are making the chart. But I can bring country over here. And now if I select, let's say UAE, nothing happens to the page. But this chart is filtered only for UAE. What I've done, let me repeat again. When I clicked on the chart and when I open filter pane, this is the section. These are the fields which are making the chart. I can use them for filtering. I am saying, please add country also into this. Now this chart can be filtered for a particular country, India. But nothing else happens. Like it doesn't change any other part of the page. Let me show you here on this page. Don't do it. I am selecting this particular list of customers and their sales and profits. Filter on this visual. And I am saying, can you bring one sales manager and show me the list of customers only for maybe Bilal? So he's having only 2 customers. But this doesn't change. Nothing changes on the page because this was filter on this visual, whatever visual was selected. But same thing is possible on a page also. If you just go below that, filter on this page. Filter on this page, if I select, let's say, country, and I apply UAE, everything on the page changes to UAE. Everything on the page changes to UAE. And there's one more filter, which is, I'm just removing this current country filter from the page. And there's one more filter over here. If I bring country on this, it will impact this page as well as the second page or third page, all the pages of the report. So filters are exactly like your slicers. The only role or only reason why we are keeping them outside is maybe we are not left with any proper space to keep them on the page. Filters are of 3 levels. One is controlling only the chart which you have selected. Second one is controlling the full page. Third one is controlling all the pages of the report.